There guys, so I'm now touring you to my home. It's so big, but it's just the first floor. There's YouTubers there, but there's not truly YouTubers. There's just watching. Right now I'm going to the second floor. Fancy bags. Fancy light. Be quiet, okay? I'm sleeping, baby. That's what I get. Miss a pen. What's my boat? I was over here moving the boat. Doing the boat madness. And also, my friends see. Let's go to the third floor. And that will be the last of this. Whoa. That's so amazing over here. Let's try them. So, there's kitchen, sink, window, bathroom. Let's randomly enter a room. Hey there! Okay, so. Wala. Okay, so. This was a new video and it's so fancy. Let's just think of many tubs flying. Okay, don't. So, click the big fat thumbs up, leave a like, and that will be more appreciated. And then, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for another videos. Goodbye.